What character is round, eats a lot, and has red shoes? Oh, this one seems pretty easy. It's not rigged! You guys aren't thinking outside the box, bugaboos. If these were security questions, it wouldn't be easy. If they weren't security questions, these would just be called questions. Is it Pac-Man? Is it Kirby? It's Kirby! Bugaboos, who stole Kirby's shoes? Who stole Kirby's shoes? Wait a minute! Yo, those are some big dogs, Kirby. Oh, hello! I mean, who am I to judge how Kirby, makes his money? He does eat a lot, so I guess that's how homeboy makes his money, right? Right? Those are some big grippers right there. That's crazy. Well, after today's stream, we should find out who made these questions and question the security. I heard, Lyko was the head of security. We're gonna have to start asking some questions after this.